welcome to another BK Quick Tip. Today, we'll be looking at the Accept and Reject Clone feature within BK's radio editing software, commonly known as Res. While BK is known for cloning capabilities, you might find yourself in a situation where an end-user cloning over a zone could be damaging to the overall functionality of the radio. For day-to-day zones that should not be changed, the Reject Incoming Clone option may be preferred. To access this feature, ensure that you're within the zone that you would like to modify by selecting the drop-down. Then, click the Zone Settings button on the right-hand side of the screen. A window will pop up with 4 sections. Under the Additional Options section, you'll see Incoming Clone and a drop-down that can be set to Accept or Reject. Select Reject and repeat for any other zones you wish to prevent a user from cloning over. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more BK Quick Tips.